This is Chuck, Tune-Up Program Manager at American Home Contractors, and today he'll be performing a roof tune-up. Here's what to expect when Chuck or one of our other technicians arrives at your home. Our roof tune-up package includes the caulking and sealing of vents, flashings, and nail holes, tightening any loose shingles, and replacing up to 10 shingle tabs, repairing any exposed nail heads or nail pops, replacing up to 1 pipe boot gasket, and a full attic, roof, gutter, and exterior inspection, along with before and after photos powered by Company Cam. You can schedule your appointment and prepay online at AmericanHomeContractors.com or call us in Maryland at 301-209-7000 or Virginia at 703-242-5000. Trust the experts with over 100 years of combined experience. Trust American Home Contractors.